Whoa! If you got pool tiles that are filthy with calcium buildup and they look something like this, and you want to make them look something like this, then there's really only two things you need. One is going to be a tile cleaner, and two, you're going to need a pool block. So I'm about to take you on a real live demonstration and show you just with these two products, okay, how you can turn a nice square in about a couple of minutes, literally 2 to 3 minutes, a square tile, and get all the calcium buildup. It kind of looks like salt stains on a shirt, and how you remove them. It's straightforward. You would let it sit in for a little bit, a couple minutes, or just go right into it, and then just get in there and dig in. Please wear a pair of gloves with this. Here's a used piece that I'm using. These are very jagged edges, as you can see, and if you hold this all day, if you're gonna do your entire tile line, you're gonna get scrapes on your hands. So wear a pair of gloves, and that's really it. So pair of gloves, get in there. And one other tip, here's what it looks like, original form, a nice square. As you're scraping down the tiles with this pool block, the block itself is going to erode into little like dust particles, and it's going to get to the bottom of your pool. So along the wall you're going to see a little gray trail. It's not dirt, but it's a trail of this. At the end of the entire scrubbing activity, just vacuum it up. And I'm going to take you straight to that video showing how you can get this looking like that.